Okay, so today is actually day 2 in the new place. I just got a townhouse. Super happy about that. Stuff is everywhere. I'm about to take y'all through something real quick. And I'm saying something because I honestly really do not know what I'm about to get myself into. But while stuff is still all over the place, I'm gonna go ahead and light my candle because I love smells. And please, y'all, don't say nothing. I know. But I love the candles. And there's my ice maker. I love that I have lots of natural lighting. As you can see, I still have, some boxes, some stuff that I need to hang up. Toto's little section here is in disarray. I'm gonna figure that out in a second because my baby definitely needs someplace to stay. My kitchen. Love it. Love it so much. Can't wait to not cook up in here. Okay, period. Okay, so just act like I look perfect and everything is pristine and in working order and there are no Toto. Bro, I need you to get out the way. Mommy's going to work now, okay? I got to put this together. So I just ordered, I got some extra storage for the bathroom. The bathrooms are really small here, but it's okay. I have 2 of them, so I'm excited. I'm going to just work around it. Ooh, hold on, y'all. This is a little heavy. Wait a minute. Okay, I don't know how to unbox another box. Toto, what did I say? He's the chief inspection officer. Just a little bit about what's going on. Last year I moved into a new place and a lot of you helped me with my Amazon wish list. I put things on there like, wall art, stuff I needed for the kitchen. I didn't put nothing too crazy on there, not no furniture or nothing like that. But I appreciated very much the things that you all did get for me. Unfortunately, that was a temporary place. This is my permanent place. So I was living out in Stone Mountain. I hated it. Okay, listen, I hate Stone Mountain. It's way too far. If I did want to order like Uber Eats or something, it wasn't really no good options on it. It was all, like fast food. It wasn't really no dope restaurants. Because I've been doing reviews and stuff lately, and I got to go to the city anyway to even do the review. So now I've moved a little bit closer to the city, and Toto just going to keep walking around. I've moved a little closer to the city, and I'm very happy about the location. Now I'm about 15 minutes from everything. So let's see how we're gonna put this thing together. So this is just small storage for the bathroom. And you'll see, I'll take you into the bathroom so you can see what I'm talking about. I don't ever take the stickers off none of my stuff. I just leave them right there. Y'all gonna see these stickers. I don't know where my son is, but I feel like once he gets quiet, I should be concerned. Okay, hopefully this is some stuff that I can just throw together. We finna see. I know one thing, I'm gonna have to run through here with this broom and a Swiffer one more time. That's another thing. I love these hardwood floors. At my other place, they had like vinyl, what was it? It's called something. Anyway, it was like a fake tile. It was so ugly. And I was there for 15 months and it wasn't horrible. It did what it was supposed to do, but I will never in my life live that far away. It was like a 35-minute ride to civilization for real. And yes, Stone Mountain has some great things like, I don't know, the racist mountain that people go to climb. I also have a video for that. Oh, don't forget to shop my website, oktobeapparel.com. Mind your own vision. There we go. I got to drop that. I'm sorry. Got to drop that up in there. Okay, so, child, I done threw the directions. Let me get these directions so I can know what I'm doing. And that was the first thing I threw in the box. Help me, Lord. Okay, this should be easy. But yeah, I was getting out of a relationship and I needed to just go. I was fleeing under duress. It wasn't even like a move that I wanted to make. But I ended up moving to Stone Mountain. I did have one neighbor that I was cool with. I talked to him a little bit because we have dogs. And so when he would walk his dog, I would see him out there. And that was cool. But I hated living out there. Okay, so these parts, is these the ones? Hold on, it's these ones on the bottom. I don't know. Because I took the stickers off of them, y'all. It's okay, I can see what's happening here. It's all right, because one thing about me, it's simple. I can read. Yeah, I can read, so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There we go. Right on there, honey. Deductive reasoning. It ain't but 6 pieces. I'm looking at the picture right here. Cause who's slow? Okay, I might be a little slow. What happened here? Is it one got to be a front and one got to be a back? What's going on? All right, this must not go like this. Now hold on, y'all. Oh, cause I'm looking at it the wrong way. I just got through talking about how I can read. Now we gotta connect these. Okay, they look the same on both sides. And they are. So these connect these. Oh, okay. Okay. So what do I screw those in with? Oh, it does not matter because they go through on both sides. Okay. Y'all pray for me. Just be doing stuff. I really just be doing stuff. Oh, this not for that. Okay, I knew that though. I knew that. I was just trying to make sure y'all was paying attention. Now, one thing about me, I love when they send me one of these. Send me one of these all the time. An Allen wrench. I love these because that's how I know it's going to get done quick, fast, and in a hurry. Okay. I don't feel like this is actually screwing in at all. Because it's not. What is going on here? Okay. It's 5 of them. But that's the one though. Y'all, something ain't right. Something ain't right with these. Because I'm turning it and it's not, nothing's happening. And when I do it, oh, it's more screws. Shut up. Don't say a word. Okay, these got the, that makes sense. Okay, because y'all was about to piss me off. I'm not going to hold you. These go on the bottom here. I could do that part. Okay, I could do that part. So anyway, yeah, the guy that I was living with, this was all against my better judgment, y'all. There were so many red flags, but I wanted to trust and believe. I have the opposite of abandonment issues. I know that's crazy. My parents have been married for quite a while, almost half a century. And one thing I've seen them do is stick together. There was no cheating, infidelity. Cheating and infidelity is the same thing. I meant there was no cheating or abuse. As far as I know, I never saw anything like that. And when I get into relationships, sometimes I stay longer than I should because I don't want to be a quote failure. And then of course, after my divorce, you know, the divorce changes you in ways that you probably don't realize. And I don't know if other people understand it or not, but I had so many questions after my divorce, and I just wanted to not, you know, I didn't want to be the girl that always ran, you know? And so I stayed hoping that, you know, this would be, I didn't think I was going to be with him forever, but I thought maybe, you know, maybe it'll be something that we could, you know, maybe it would be something. I don't know. Child, it was not something. That man stressed me the hell out. And he had 3 kids and 3 baby mamas. And the kids was never the problem. It was always the co-parenting situation. And it wasn't, to be honest, it wasn't the other mothers. It was him. He was a liar. He would just make up stories, and his kids would tell me that he was a liar. And so I was like, after a while, you know, you don't learn certain things about somebody till you live with them. So after a while, I was like, let me just plan my escape, because it's clear that this is a very, very short-term thing. We were together for, I want to say a year, right at a year. He conveniently found a way to ruin my birthday. He would always lie about where he was and what he was doing. He had a quote, best friend who was female that would be FaceTiming him at, all hours of the day. He was very disrespectful. Last time we got into an argument, his kids was at the house, and he called me all out my name. He threw a bottle of water in my face. And so, yeah, when I say this move was more than necessary, it was. So when I moved to Stone Mountain, I was literally just trying to find someplace cheap to go. And it was cheap. My rent was like $12.63 for a 15-month lease. Unfortunately, that place was terrible. I'm not even going to release the name of the place, but I'm going to leave them a review so bad, and I'm going to leave it under my Instagram handle. So I don't know if you can search my reviews, but you'll be able to see it. I'm not going to release this until after my lease is completely done, because I doubt very seriously that they give me my deposit back, because that's the type of stuff they do. I had you have to give a 60-day notice to move out. I went over there to let them know. Well, I just wanted to check in. I'm a checker-inner. I'm a person that, even though I already made the plans and I solidified everything and I got confirmation, I made a copy of my confirmation, all of this stuff. Even though I already did that, I still went up there and I said, hey, is there anything else I need to do to confirm or to wrap up my move out process? And the lady looked up my apartment and everything. She was like, we don't have nothing on file for you. I said, I'm glad you said that, because let me go to my unit and get the piece of paper that I just brought y'all 60 days ago. So I went and got it, and next thing I know, oh, we got you set up, and it be stuff like that. So while I was staying at this place, y'all, oh my gosh, I have to tell y'all the story. I'm gonna do a separate story about this, but a pastor tried to have sex with me. Somebody broke into my car. Sewage was backed up in my tub and my toilet when I came back from a 5-day trip. I was in Italy. I came back from Italy, and there was sewage all in my place. So I had to go stay at my dude at the time. I had to stay at his place. Child, a mess. Not to mention, when my car got broken into, I had called the police, and didn't nobody even show up. I called the courtesy officer, and I called the police. The courtesy officer didn't even have the courtesy to, didn't even give a crap about coming and seeing what I needed. I had to leave him a voicemail, so that was great. But that's the only way they could go. Oh, because this goes on the bottom. Okay, got you. No biggie. No biggie. But yeah, there was so much foolishness that happened at that apartment. And y'all, when I say ready to go is an understatement. They sent somebody to fix the water heater. When they did that, some random maintenance people came and knocked a hole through my wall and left it there. Didn't fix nothing, actually. Just put a hole in my wall. And so, y'all, what is happening right now? Can I not read this? Okay. I'm gonna handle this first. Because, girl, y'all trying to make me feel like I'm slow. And I'm a little, you know what I mean? Like, I have my flaws, but y'all trying to make me feel like I just ain't got it all. I ain't wrapped too tight, and I know that ain't the case. But yeah, I made a note in my phone, and I said, once I'm done, once I get all the way out of this place, I'm just going to leave them a review, and I'm going to put it through ChatGPT. I got all the specifics, all the details of everything that I want to say to these people, because the way they played in my face, and then I only liked one person in the front office, y'all. They let him go. So the day I was going in to solidify my move out stuff, I was like, oh, I left my paperwork with so-and-so. And a guy at the front was like, oh, well, yeah, he's no longer with the company. And I'm just looking like, well, who is going to be with the company? Because everybody else in here is crazy. And the girl in the front there, she got a stank attitude. She always just be looking like she don't look like her job. She ready to go. And sis, quit. Please quit. You are not a tree. You are not planted at that company. You can go somewhere else. I cannot stand when people in customer-facing industries don't like people. Okay, y'all, the sun. I have so much natural light. The sun is up in here acting up. Let me close this little blind. Because I didn't know she was going to try to do me like that. Okay, perfect. She was getting a little bright on you, girl. Almost done. Oh wow, y'all want me to stress myself out like that? That's crazy. So they gave me, it's not a screw set, it's just straight wood. So I have to put a little force on this Allen wrench. Y'all wildin', bro. Straight wildin'. But you know, whatever. For you to come pick up your clothes, I had them folded. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I love that song, but Carolina, let me tell you something. Playing with me, your stuff is going to be out on the street. You better come get your stuff, okay? And be glad I didn't burn it up. Come and get your things, your belongings, whatever it is, just come on. You know one thing I'm grateful for? I'm grateful for the fact that once I realized that people do what they want to do, I started leaving. My divorce was traumatizing for so many different reasons, and none of them were because I wanted to stay with that man. It was because I was in the process of grieving a life I thought I was going to have, and the life that I essentially picked. So now I'm like, okay, am I tripping? Am I crazy? Why would I be with somebody who would do stuff like this to me? And I know I briefly told the story of how my ex-husband left me stranded in downtown Atlanta. That was a doozy, y'all. But yeah, so after going through all of this stuff, like, it's important to note that I sincerely needed this place. I needed this place so bad. And I went and I got it. And it's only in my name. Nobody else has a key here. My friends, I didn't want to invite people to my house because number one, it was too far out. But also, I just wasn't happy with the quality of it. One thing about Atlanta, they'll charge you $2,200 a month for a shoebox with white cabinets and white refrigerators and no amenities. They'll do that if you let them. So this place that I'm at, the place that I'm at now is really a steal. It's like this little secret community that, you know, like if you're not looking for it, you're probably not gonna find it. And I love that for me, because I need the secrecy. I need the privacy. I don't want people all in my business. I got my Ring camera up and I got surveillance, so I also got some in that nightstand. So you can F around if you like, but you're gonna find out the worst of ways. Let me see if I can do one of these. Maybe it'll be better. Let's try that. Yeah, that's much better. And I can also now, I can order reviews. I can order food from places and do them in the comfort of my own home. But I like the experience of going to the places and showing y'all what they look like on the inside in case you want to dine in. And of course, the food is always fresher. My bad. And then you get a real sense of the customer service and stuff like that. Okay. All right. And that's my mini storage. Now I'm gonna show y'all where it's about to go. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, this is my bathroom. This is my guest bathroom, I should say. As you can see, you come in and all the stuff is just in the sink. That's because I don't have any place to put it. Now, of course, I got cabinet space, so I got stuff down there, cleaning supplies and extra toilets, but I wanted some place to put these things. I feel like these are cute, and I want my guests to have them. You know, all two of them. I don't be having guests for real, but whatever. So I have a little waste basket here, and I'm gonna move this side storage and put it there. And then I'm gonna set all this stuff on top of it. And I really can't wait to see it. So let's get it together. So, slide this over here. I am gonna leave the trash can right there. I measured it before I bought this, so I knew that this was gonna fit. So now I got this really cute candle that I'm gonna put here. Got some, in case it gets serious up in here. And then all the regular things, the soap dish, the toothbrush holder, and the hand soap, which I just refilled yesterday. So yeah, I just wanted a little something extra. That's now my little bathroom nook thingy. So if you want to visit and you need some everything you need is right there. Okay, so yes, I still look kind of crazy. But now I'm going to put together, I wanted like a little small linen closet because I have a washer and dryer upstairs. So I want to put the little linen cabinet right next to that washer and dryer space, so my towels and anything that needs to be washed or folded can be there for myself and my guests as well. So let's go upstairs and let's do that now.